Edo State First Lady Betsy Obaseki don inaugurate the organizing committee for the 2023 Betsy Obaseki Women Football Tournament for Government House, Benin City.
We, with joy and pride, inaugurate you again as members of the organizing committee for the third edition of the Betsy Obaseki Women Football Tournament, pre-season official Women Football Tournament 2023. Congratulations.
The Omboge people wait under for this inauguration with Edo State First Lady now, Edo State Deputy Governor and Co-Chairman Board of Trustees, Betsy Obaseki Women Football Tournament, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Permanent Secretary, Edo State Sports Commission, Sabina Chikere, among others. For the inauguration, Betsy Obaseki urged the members of the committee to improve on the success wey dem don record for the tournaments wey dem don do before, and contrary salute give the committee for the Omboge support and their contributions for previous editions of the tournament. She constantly say she dey thank the committee for their hard work and commitment, sake of say FIFA give dem Omboge salute for the first outing wey dem do. She constantly say that na why she decide say every year she go look for them, sake of say dem dey available and ready gidigba to work to help empower our girls, not for only Edo State but for Nigeria as a whole.
In a few months, we'll be commencing this year's tournament, which, will be the third edition. This is our third year since we started the Betsy Obaseki Women Football Tournament, pre-season tournament. You all know that it's the only official and therefore the premier pre-season tournament for women football in Nigeria. Also recognized and approved by the NFF. It gives me great pleasure to have you here today, and I'd like to start off by thanking all of the members sitting here who have sat from the onset of this tournament and working as the organizing committee members. You've all done so well. Every year at the end of the tournament, we have good reason, the Deputy Governor and myself, who chair this setup or Board of Trustees, always have good reason to thank and appreciate you for your hard work, commitment, professionalism that you bring on board, so much so that this tournament, even after the very first outing, was approved, was commended, highly commended by the FIFA World Body. And we, as a result of that, have decided that every year we will look for you again and bring as many of you as are willing and ready and able and available to work with us in this work that we're doing, seeking to empower girls, not just in Edo State, but across the country, to empower them in the area of football, to grow careers in that path.
Dr. Tando, we talk on behalf of the members of the committee, come express appreciation to the state government, we take give them the opportunity to serve. It comes to say for the last 2 years with the support of His Excellency, the Deputy Governor and the team, it shows say women go fit make am for football. It can assure say this year the committee go put in their best to do a good job and make them proud.
The last 2 years has been a wonderful time working with your good self and His Excellency, Deputy Governor, and working with the team, and more importantly, throwing light on the plight of the girl child, and also using them also to show that women can actually make a way even in football. We want to assure you that this year we will put in our best as usual. And as we have seen that the competition has grown in leaps and bounds every year, we are of the belief and of the hope that this year will not be an exception. And by the grace of God, and with the support that you've always given to us, with the support of the Edo State people, and even with the support of people from Nigeria, we will do a good job and we will make you proud.
The 9-man committee, they headed by the chairman of Edo State Sports Commission, Yusuf Ali, and permanent secretary Edo State Sports Commission, Sabina Chikere, as secretary. Other members of the committee are Honorable Maria Edeko, Esquire, Kingsley Egiamuso, Crusoe Osaige, Dr. Andrew Obi, Dr. Peter Okonkwo, Dr. Kwanku Tanda, and Emmanuel Gbinosa. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesuli, TMC TV News.